Hello, my name is Lee Coleman from Hughes Coleman Injury Lawyers. Today let's talk about what to know and do if you've been in a sideswipe collision in Columbia, Tennessee. If you've been injured, give us a call. We handle all types of car accident cases and we're here for you 24/7 at 800-800-4600. Now let's talk about sideswipe collisions. Approximately 242,000 sideswipe collisions occur every year. They're especially dangerous because drivers often overcorrect trying to avoid a sideswipe collision. They're caused by distracted driving, speeding, driver fatigue, texting and driving, merging without checking blind spots. And they cause many types of injuries including whiplash, neck injuries, back injuries, traumatic brain injury, TBIs, and others. Here's what to do if you've been injured in a collision. Seek medical attention for your injuries, but that will come later after you leave the scene of the collision. Immediately call law enforcement. Before law enforcement arrives, begin taking photographs of any damage to any vehicles, yours or the others, and photographs of the scene to show what happened. Get names of witnesses, including addresses and phone numbers if you can get them. If law enforcement doesn't arrive, and sometimes they don't come to the scene anymore, then you need to follow up and file a report and seek an experienced personal injury attorney. If you've been injured in a collision, the law entitles you to compensation for your property damage, for your medical bills, for your lost wages, and for your pain and suffering. Here's how Hughes Coleman can help you. First, we'll work to get you medical appointments with doctors who can treat your injuries and help you get better. Along the way, we'll deal with the insurance companies so you don't have to. We'll seek compensation for all of your injuries, for all of your damages, your pain and suffering, your medical bills, your lost wages, and your property damage. We'll handle all of the legal work so you can focus on getting better. If you've been injured in a sideswipe collision, call us today at 800-800-4600. We're here for you 24/7. Control starts with a call. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips, and if you have any questions, drop them into the comments section below.